Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share all contacts from one phone to another. Alright, let's get started. First of all, open your contacts app on your phone. Then after that, you gotta select all contacts on your phone by clicking and holding on the contact like this. And after that, you can click on all button to select all the contacts on your phone. After that, you can click on share button right here, and you can choose the media that you want to share all your contacts. You can share it by WhatsApp or maybe Telegram or nearby share. It's up to you. You can choose it as you want, and after you choose the media that you like, you can share all that contacts to your friends maybe or to another phone. Alright, that's how we can share all contacts from one phone to another. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.